Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Let's fly Rambler RS once again, and this time I have to test this plane for its alt hold going straight for 2 kilometer RTH and then circling around at 150 meters altitude. So plan is to go straight at this side, which I always go, and today we are going with the wind and coming back against the wind. So well, plenty of battery for this, I'm not worried. So I will go that way, climb up to 200 something meters altitude, and then activate RTH once I hit 2 kilometer mark, and then let it return without touching. So when the plane is actually going that way, I will not touch any sticks. I'll just let it go on alt hold once I climb to the right altitude. And when I activate RTH, I will not touch any sticks. I will let it come back and then let it drop the altitude above these buildings and circle around at least 2 circles, at least minimum 2 circles. 1 circle to lose altitude, 2nd circle to test altitude accuracy on RTH circling. Once this test is done and proves that it's reliable, the SNL is doing a reliable job, the plane is doing a reliable job, the next step will be to fly it with the FPV radio for 2 kilometer range, let it go straight at certain altitude, and chase it with mini talon. That'll be absolutely beautiful flight, inshallah. I'm really excited about that 1 pilot, 2 FPV plane, FPV chase video, and inshallah I'll make it happen. So let's fly it and let's see how it goes. you.